Looking to achieve a perfectly manicured lawn that turns heads? The best lawn roller for stripes ensures smooth, even surfaces while enhancing seed-to-soil contact. With the right roller, creating professional-looking striped patterns has never been easier or more satisfying. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. VEVOR 61L Lawn Roller. The VEVOR 61L Lawn Roller is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to improve the health and appearance of their lawn. With a large 61-liter drum, this roller can be filled with either water or sand to provide the right weight for flattening uneven ground or pressing seeds firmly into the soil. This ensures optimal seed-to-soil contact, promoting better germination and healthier grass growth. The roller is built for durability, featuring a thick, high-carbon steel drum with a double-layer rust-resistant coating that stands up to outdoor elements. Its sealed bearing system helps prevent dust and water damage, allowing for reliable performance over time. Using the roller is simple and efficient thanks to a push-style handle, while a convenient fill port makes weight adjustments easy. Rounded edges protect your lawn while rolling, and the metal scraper bar helps remove dirt buildup, keeping the roller clean. When not in use, the roller can be hung or stored compactly. Overall, the VEVOR 61L combines functionality, durability, and ease of use, making it a dependable tool for maintaining smooth, level, and healthy lawns. Number 2. Agri-Fab 450606 Lawn Roller. The Agri-Fab 450606 lawn roller is designed for those who want a simple yet effective way to level soil and flatten lawns. Its durable 18-inch diameter and 36-inch wide poly roller drum provides even coverage over large areas, making it ideal for new sod or uneven terrain. The roller can hold up to 400 pounds of water to add the necessary weight for proper lawn compaction, ensuring seeds and soil settle evenly. Despite its heavy-duty construction, the roller weighs less than 50 pounds when empty, making it easy to carry, transport, and store. The built-in fill and drain plug simplifies adding water or emptying the roller after use. Its compact size and manageable weight also make it convenient to store in a garage or shed without taking up too much space. Additionally, Agri-Fab offers a 3-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance in the roller's quality and durability. Combining practicality with efficiency, this lawn roller is a reliable tool for homeowners looking to achieve smooth, level lawns with minimal effort.
Number 3. COSTWAY Lawn Roller. The COSTWAY Lawn Roller is a versatile and durable tool perfect for homeowners and gardeners who want smooth, even lawns. Its heavy-duty metal frame ensures strength and longevity, while the powder-coated finish protects against rust and environmental wear. The roller offers multiple operating options. It can be pushed, pulled, or even towed behind a tractor, making it convenient for various tasks and terrains. With a generous 63-liter or 17-gallon drum, it can be filled with sand or water to provide the right weight for pressing seeds into the soil or leveling uneven areas. A removable drain plug makes filling and emptying quick and hassle-free. Thoughtful design features such as a scraper bar to prevent soil buildup and rounded edges to avoid lawn damage add to its practicality. The handle can be folded or hung for easy storage, optimizing space in any garage or shed. Overall, the COSTWAY Lawn Roller combines functionality, durability, and user-friendly features, offering an efficient solution for maintaining healthy, flat, and professional-looking lawns without unnecessary effort. It's a reliable addition to any garden toolkit. Number 4. DURHAND 38L Lawn Roller. The DURHAND 38L Lawn Roller is an ideal choice for homeowners looking for a lightweight yet effective tool for lawn care. Constructed from steel with a rust-resistant coating, it offers durability while protecting your lawn during use. The roller has a 38-liter drum that can be filled with water or sand, allowing you to adjust the weight according to the task, whether pressing newly sown seeds or leveling uneven ground. Its U-shaped handle ensures a comfortable grip for pushing or pulling, making it easy to operate without straining your hands. Rounded edges prevent damage to the grass while turning, ensuring smooth and precise results. The built-in drain plug makes filling and emptying quick and convenient, while the compact and lightweight design allows for effortless storage and transport. Weighing just 17.6 pounds when empty, the roller is suitable for tight spaces and small lawns. Despite its smaller size, it delivers reliable performance and consistent results, making it a practical choice for those who need a manageable, user-friendly lawn roller that is both durable and efficient.
Number 5. VEVOR 400 pounds lawn roller. The VEVOR 400 pounds lawn roller is designed for heavy-duty lawn care, offering a large capacity cylinder capable of holding up to 400 pounds of water or sand. This makes it ideal for flattening uneven ground, pressing seeds into the soil, and maintaining optimal soil moisture for germination. Its solid steel frame ensures durability and stability, reducing the risk of tipping during use, while the sealed plugs prevent leaks and maintain consistent weight. The roller features a circular edge to protect your lawn, allowing smooth rolling without damaging grass. Its metal scraper rod helps remove soil and debris easily, keeping the roller in excellent working condition. Assembly is straightforward, and the extended hooks allow the roller to be connected to a vehicle for effortless movement across larger lawns. When not in use, it can be conveniently transported or hung in a garage or shed for storage. Combining robust construction, practical design, and ease of use, the VEVOR 400 pounds lawn roller provides an efficient and reliable solution for homeowners seeking professional quality lawn maintenance results. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.